Good for him to have to deal with the dogs too. He hasn't had to be around those at all. Oh my, it's the dreaded white snake. You like that? There you go. There you go. Good job. Sure stiff. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
So, will we go around the end of that hill, or?
The big one?
Yeah.
You gotta go up it.
We gotta go.
Uh-huh.
We can't go around it.
Nope.
Okay.
He calls that hill the Big Hill. That is what is marked on the map, actually. And that's not something that I came up with. That's like the BLM marker is Big Hill. Nice of those cows to make a highway for us. Very good. Easy. Girl. There's some water right here.
Yep.
Easy. Very good. Good job. Girl. Guess you don't need to. You just have to be smart like Marty.
What's that?
Oh, I was thinking how you needed to cross that, but apparently you don't. Hey. Oh yeah, really? Easy, bud. Hey. Very good. Ooh. No, thank you. Ah. Yo.
Where'd they find the energy? I have no idea.
I don't know.
Oh, wide open there.
Hey.
Is that Earl?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, how many miles? The look. What was it to the...
Yeah.
Did I ask you at the big hill?
12. No, I'm going to say 13. 13 2.
8.1.
Oh man, it's a lot further than that. No cow tracks either.
Just a gator.
Are we missing a dog? Nope. So it was 8 what?
8.11
811.
when I looked. Haha, Marty's coat makes funny noise. Okay, there's Grassy Knob.
What's that?
Grassy Knob's right there.
Oh, okay.
It's the green.
With the cedars?
Nope. It's just the green top all the way on the
Oh, all the way over.
yeah, on the skyline.
Okay.
It doesn't have any distinguishable markings other than its shape.
Okay.
But it is the highest point on the entire place. We'll have to go up on top of it because we got to go right by it anyway. It's gorgeous. It's a perfect place to get struck by lightning.
We're gonna get it.
Whoa! You know, okay, I'm gonna say it. If I have to be in the country for it to rain, then so be it.
Yep, we did our part. We got it to rain.
Yo! Good horsey. You don't have to lope, you can trot better than that. So you've been up on top of that sucker?
Yep.
Cool.
Got pictures up there with me and my dog.
Cool. Hey.
We're inviting a thunderstruck.
Ah! Marty, no! Don't use your words against me.
Haven't seen one hit the ground yet, but
Hey,
we're gonna start.
I don't like those words. Ta-da. Can't say I've been here in a thunderstorm.
It's pipeline goes off here, right?
Yep, it's right here. It's a steep sucker. It's a pretty good ridge in itself right there. Come on.
John's probably thinking, God, that was two.
It's all your fault, Marty.
Yeah, we'll both take the blame on it. We equally love it.
Fair enough. I keep thinking that's a horse passing gas, but it's just your coat.
That's my what?
It's your coat
Yep.
doing the funny duck calls. I don't know about you, Marty, but I think it's getting a little more active.
It is getting closer upon us.
Icky.
Shortcut.
Shortcut. Down there. Good luck.
Free grave.
Yeah, free graves. Cheap graves.
Cheap grave.
They still cost.
Oh, okay.
They cost lives. It was fun while it lasted.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here before these gumbos get slimy. You think that estimate's right, about 5 miles?